So here I have my dad's lawnmower. It is a self-propelled lawnmower, Yard Pro, something like that. So last summer this started giving my dad some problems. The wheels in the front aren't wanting to turn. It's not working real well. So what I'm going to try to do is take it apart and fix it. I think the spark plug could use a little cleaning. Alright, so here's where I'm at with this. Yes, it's only reading 60 psi, and yes, the gauge is working. I tried it out on my chainsaw. Still 125 psi on the chainsaw, so the gauge works. Let's see if we can get these wheels turning in the front and see what we can do. Alright, so here's where I left off last time. This is like a couple nights later than I was the first night. I did not video all of the taking apart to this point because it just takes a lot of battery and a lot of memory space that I don't have, especially when I don't really know how long this video will actually be for relevant information. Where all this was just kind of taking it apart, but I'll kind of catch up to speed. So this is the little transmission for the lawnmower. They're pretty generic. I opened that up. Everything inside of that transmission is clean, lubricated. It looks really good inside of there. Now, I'm still just not able to get this front axle turning, and that's what my dad wants to do. I'm also unable to get this wheel off. So I ran over to my dad's house and borrowed his little gear puller to hopefully pull the wheel off if it'll work. All right, to make it work, I had to modify it a little bit. I had to bend the jaws in my Harbor Freight bench vise here. That's really been holding up great so far. Review to come. Alright, so here's the problem here. This, well, I'm not exactly sure what to call that, but it's got these splines on it, these teeth, and they grab onto the inside of the wheel. And this thing is frozen on there. On this other one, it came right off the little axle. It came off with the wheel, where this one it didn't. And that's what the problem is. This is not, it is frozen on there and not moving. So I'm gonna try and do a little bit of WD-40 inside of there. Probably ain't gonna do much, but I'm gonna do some cleaning. I'm gonna let it soak over time, and then I'll come back, spray some more, and keep doing that until I'm done. Or until I get it, I guess. Alright, so here's the deal now. I put WD-40 on it multiple times, and then fiddled with it a little more off camera. Still wasn't budging. So then I brought out the torch, heated it up nice and hot. It's still kind of smoking a little bit from the WD-40. And now we'll see if it'll come. Oop, just slip forward.
Snip some more. Snip some more.
Time for a little more heat, I guess. I'm doing it by hand now. There it is. I'm gonna buff that down a little bit, clean it up. The bearing seems fine for as long as my dad's gonna use this thing. So here's where I'd like to put a little bit of anti-seize, but I don't have any of that, so I'm just gonna put some grease on here. It's nice and warm, so it's spreading nice and easy. Now I'm gonna try and run a wire brush through there, one of my plumbing brushes, and see if I can't clean that out a little bit, and then maybe just, I'll probably just leave it. Nice fit, it spins nice and free now. So I'm gonna pound this back into the wheel. This is where a hydraulic press would be very nice. I almost bought one and then I decided I didn't need one. Now I'm kind of thinking I might get one again someday. Sure spins free now. Alright, so the deal now is I'm going to put it all together and I'm just going to cut that out of the video. I'm not going to put that because nobody wants to watch that. Alright, so the lawnmower is all back together now, and I am in an enclosed space, but I'm just going to turn it on real quick just to try it out. We messed with this last summer one day when I was over at my parents' house just visiting. My dad was out mowing the lawn, and the cable had broken for the wheel drive to activate the wheel drive. And so we just bypassed that with a good old redneck fix of baling wire. So the wheels are just automatically going to turn on when I turn this on. But I think all my dad's looking for is just to get, you know, another summer or two out of it until he has to buy another one, or until he can save up and buy another one this summer. I'm not sure exactly what his plan is, but I'm going to put you on a tripod and see if it works. So the lawnmower is all finished up now, and I just want to thank everybody who watched this video for watching. Like I said, I'm just going to fix things, maintain things, not my own stuff, a lot of other people's stuff, family and whatnot. So just keep watching my videos. Some stuff, you know, might hit or miss, might be of your interest, and some other things might not be. Yep, this is just my lawnmower fix video for the front wheel drive that got locked up and wouldn't go. I don't know if I explained that in the beginning of the video or not, what was wrong. But anyway, it's fixed now, it's all taken care of. My dad will probably could get another summer, maybe two out of this thing. I don't know, the motor being 60 PSI, maybe not. But anyway, if this is your first time here, please hit subscribe. And then to everybody who watched this video, please give me a thumbs up, help support my channel, and thanks for watching.